works up a little. This is not what we are focusing on today.
Okay.
This is the Ninjago Docks. This is a place of action.
Oh, yeah?
And a place that you could live in.
I see.
You could live simply here. Let's start with the arcade room.
Yes, that's
oink.
cool.
You see, this is a gumball machine.
Oh, yeah.
This is one of the games.
Let's see.
It's got the little joystick and
Oh, it
the
sure
buttons.
does. Cool.
And it's got the little sign on the side.
Yeah, I
This
love
one's
that.
called Junkbot.
Oh, I love that.
You see this soda bottle?
Is there a soda bottle there? Oh, yeah.
Get this $100 bill.
Uh-huh. Okay.
See this?
Yeah. There's the
You
soda.
get this
Cool
the
drink.
$100
No.
bill.
No.
Slide it in.
No! And you get a drink out? That's crazy.
A golden soda. Very well.
Nice. I
Not
love
here.
it.
It's the only thing.
It's awesome.
It's my favorite room.
And it's got a cool clear door you can see in.
Oh! Here's another secret about it.
What's that?
You see this sign?
Uh-huh.
Come over here. Right here. Secret doors.
So you could have these billboards up, huh?
No one ever gets to know that.
Oh,
But
no.
y'all do.
There you go.
Here is a boat.
Oh, nice, coming out of its little place,
You see,
huh?
it's just you think it's just a wiggle boat that just goes across?
Yeah, and it's got the cool water. I love the water on here. So pretty.
It's not
What you
just
got?
any wiggle boat.
What is going on
It
here?
has newspapers in it on your ride if
really?
you want to read. It's two.
Oh, okay. Neat.
Okay.
All right.
Right here, it is
Oh,
a
golly.
kung fu class.
Oh, wow. Look at these weapons on the walls.
We got a person that is the teacher of that place.
Mm-hmm.
I call him Fake Elvis.
Okay. Okay, go ahead.
He calls himself handsome. Guess who owns the arcade?
Who? Handsome?
I don't know.
Okay.
Probably this guy.
Oh, yeah, probably him. Okay, sweet.
It's a clay place.
Oh,
see, it has some
for
clay.
pottery? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
It's a
yes,
place
yes.
for molding. Now,
Nice.
there's something freaky.
What?
Something scary.
What?
Something you would not want to see in your life.
What? Ah! I see.
A Lego skeleton.
Cool.
I do not know who died in this. A newspaper place. You see, it's got those drawers. One of them is opened. And here is a newspaper.
Ninja identities are a mystery.
That's what ninjas' goals are. Let's take this off. This is the map making place.
Oh, wow. We got a globe and some maps, like you said.
The globe spins.
Does it?
Got some lanterns in there too. And a wizard book.
What?
Oh, and look, it's got
Yeah,
a telescope
you can look from
and a
there.
ladder.
Yes.
Notice that there's a ladder right here too.
Yeah,
that goes
it
here.
connects. That looks awesome. You can undo this one too?
Yep. Oh, and look, it's a slide door.
Oh, I love the slide door.
That goes from the stairs to here.
Nice. Okay.
Now, that is a place where the boat
Oh, that's the
parks.
boat. Yeah. That's the boat's under there.
So let's put that back on.
Sweet. I love it.
Here is the apartment.
And is that the lady we were looking for?
Yes, it is.
Cool, that's her apartment. Look at her amazing window. What in the world? What's she doing in there? She's cooking?
Yep. Right here, it's a little tab to do something.
Oh, yeah?
Tablet.
Yeah.
And if I...
Is that a TV?
Yeah, it says, Good Day Ninjago. The person that lives on the bottom, they put a poster of a cowboy.
Oh, yeah, sure.
And that is
world?
a place where you can do your own stuff. I can turn chicken.
Love it.
Okay.
Well done.
The barrels.
What's in the
First.
barrels?
Guess what's in the barrel?
Fish.
Nope. Diamonds.
Oh, no.
There's a barrel back there. Guess what's in the barrel?
Diamonds.
Nope. Fish.
Oops.
Let's take these barrels out. These barrels. Guess what's in barrel 1?
Peppermints.
Peppermints. Wrong. Skeleton.
Ah!
Real one. Barrel 2.
Spiders.
Nope. Peppermints.
Wait.
Guess what's in barrel 3?
Snakes.
Snakes. Snakes are too big.
Sodas.
Golden soda. Now that you've looked at it, you see that you can live here. Now, do you want to do the Ninjago language?
Oh.